done a video on colour, and this is part 2. Basically, it's the side effects of colour, and it's not about the colour itself. It's about the fact that the chemicals within the colour can create a reaction which dries the scalp, and that's what we're finding here. That the scalp has not been this flaky, and it's related to the colour. The only thing that's changed is the colour. Now, the back, I want to show you the back. Clear, no flaking at all. And all you see, that the bits you see that, yeah, it's glistening, it's shine you're seeing. So what we're discovering, as we're retightening, we're finding the ends are shedding, and we have flakes where the colour is concentrated. So you make up your mind whether colour using chemicals is a good idea. We would suggest